I'm Daphne Bavelier. I'm a professor in cognitive neuroscience at the University of Geneva. So in our research, we've really focused on what enhances brain plasticity and learning. And we've chanced upon the fact that these action video game, first or third person shooter, seems to be especially efficient because they first enhance what we call attentional control. And we can actually measure how it responds to what you're attending to, but we can also measure how it responds to the other streams you're not attending to. And that actually allows us to look at what the brain does with information that is distracting, needs to be suppressed, is source of noise. And we see that the people that play action video games suppress better than the people that don't play action video games. What we have been doing is trying to understand what is the state of the brain when we play video games, and we're testing the hypothesis that the state of play is a unique state of play that puts together the networks of the brain that are encoding for reward, the networks of the brain that are coding for emotion, and the networks of the brain that are coding for attention, and put them into a unique way where they actually handshake with each other, where they coalesce with each other. So what we found is that people that play action video games, that is first or third person shooter games, have better attention.
Daphne's work is very interesting because she's trying to figure out what could be the beneficial ingredients of the video games to use in designing serious games for treatment, for learning, for training.
So the major goal of the lab right now for the next 10 years is to understand how play is implemented in neural systems and ask which aspects of play may be facilitating future learning and so preparing children for absorbing the world as fast as they typically do.